Hello, welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Before you start watching my video, please remember subscribe and follow my channel. This round, I will display all the SPM questions and show you that my pencil sketch. I think this is important, at least you view my idea first before you make a good choice. Later on, I will post all the questions with painting on my channel. I will demonstrate how to complete artwork with paint. Let us start now. Question number 1. Seorang pengunjung Taman Burung Negara bersuah foto dengan seekor burung merah jantan yang sedang mengembangkan ekornya. Question number 2. A street musician was playing the guitar on a pedestrian corner. Beside him was a warm hat. Inside there are several pieces of paper money and coins scattered around. Question number 3. I think the question is pretty simple. There are two cats are trying to get down from tree. Question number 4. Beberapa telefon bimbit yang berada di atas meja makan menjadi robot dan sedang bertarung kerana melebut makanan yang terhidang. Question number 5. Di sebuah sinking yang penuh dengan buih sabun, kelihatan pinggan, mangkuk, cawan, gelas dan sudut yang belum dicuci. Terdapat juga lebihan makanan. Air pilih di sinki tersebut masih mengalir. Question number 6. Anda sedang melalui sebuah lorong pada waktu hujan lenyai di waktu malam. Di kiri dan kanan kelihatan bangunan lama dan bersejarah. Kawasan tersebut kelihatan sulam dan disinari lampu jalan. Okay, this is it. Please write down your message and any comment down here. And also please share with me which question you will pick. Remember, the full color painting will be posted soon after this. Please stay tuned and goodbye.